friends, today I'm going to share with you my basil pesto recipe which has kick-off Indian spice. So to make the pesto with some Indian spices, of course, we need a lot of basil. This is a very fresh basil from my garden. You can see it's really nice and really fresh and very fragrant. It means I can smell a nice fragrance of the basil right now in my kitchen. So this is about 3 cups of basil, and we can either tear off the leaves from the basil like this, or we can even crush with the stem. So if the stem is very thick, I'm going to take it out and just take the leaves out like this, and then I will blend it. The next ingredient we need is coriander powder, and this is going to give a little kick to the pesto. And here I have some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some salt, some pepper, some cloves of garlic, around 6-7 cloves of garlic, and some red chili pepper to give some more kick. And I have some soaked almonds. I'm going to use almonds for this recipe instead of pine nuts to just give a different flavor. And my son is allergic to pine nuts, and he's not allergic to almonds, so I'm going to also replace for that reason. But you can definitely use the pine nuts. So first thing I'm going to do is throw this water away in which the almonds were soaked, and then peel the almonds. So it's very easy to peel the almonds, because once you have soaked the almonds, all you have to do is just use your fingers, and separate the peel out and the almond out. This is how we can remove the skins of all the almonds very quickly after soaking. So you can take the almond like this, you can press it like this, and the almond is out and skin is off. Just a few more. So we have peeled almonds now, and we are going to start making the pesto. And to make the pesto, the first step I'm going to do is take the almonds, put it in the blender jar and blend it, and then start adding the basil slowly, because the volume of the basil is just way too much. So we'll do that, and then we will add the garlic. ready to be stored in the jar, and you can use this with many different things, such as with the crackers, with pasta, and on your sandwiches, anything you wish. And that's the reason I just wanted to keep it a little thicker. So because if you put it on the sandwiches, you don't want little watery or too much oily. But it can last in the fridge for some time, depending how cool is your fridge. So I'm going to put this pesto in the mason jar, and I will add some little more olive oil on the top. So really the olive oil is a personal choice, that how much you want to add it. Pesto is ready and it's poured all in the jar. So you can always adjust the consistency of the pesto by adding more olive oil or maybe a little bit more water or vinegar. It's just personal choice. So at this point, because I want to store it for a week at least, so I'm going to add some more olive oil in it. So I have put some more olive oil to increase the life of the pesto, and I'm going to, after this, going to put it in the fridge and use it for many different recipes. So I'm going to serve the pesto today with some crackers for the snack. Garnish it with some basil on the platter or a little plate here, and some cherry tomatoes on the top. So you can serve the pesto with the crackers just like this, or you can serve with pasta or sandwiches or any recipe you can think of. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.